Yo, what is up everybody? If you guys are facing I cannot stitch on TikTok problem, then basically this video is for you. Cause in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before I tell you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, cause it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So without any further ado, let's start the video. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, cause if you skip then you guys might get confused. So basically the first reason behind why you can't stitch on TikTok, if you're trying to stitch on other people's video, then basically if they have turned their stitch off, then you cannot stitch their video. So basically the creator has an option to make their video available for stitching or not. If they have turned off their stitch, then you cannot stitch on their video. But if they have turned on their stitch and you still can stitch on their video, then your TikTok account might be below 16. Like that, by that I mean if your TikTok account age is set below 16, then you cannot stitch on other people's video. In the latest update, TikTok has brought that you cannot stitch on other people's video if your account is under 16, and your video could not be available for other people to stitch as well if you're under 16. Now if your account is above 18, then like other people can stitch on your video and you can also stitch on other people's video. But if your account is below 16, then you cannot stitch on other people's video and other people also can stitch on your video as well. So keep that in mind. And the other thing is, if other people can stitch on my video, then it basically means that I have turned off my stitches. That means that if other people try to stitch my video, then they can't, because I have not given permission for them to stitch. So to fix that, I can literally go on me over here, click on this three dot. Once I'm over here, I can go on privacy. I can scroll down, and as you guys can, stitch is set on only me. That means only I can stitch on my video. If I put this in everyone, then everyone can stitch on my video. So you can do that so other people can stitch on your video. So yeah, these are the way how you can fix I can't stitch on TikTok problem. So if your account is below 16, then you can't. But if your account is above 18 and you still can't, then probably the creator has turned off the stitching. That's why you can't. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow. And yeah, comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, drop it down in the comment. I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.